Hey guys, it's Jeff. Thanks for checking out my video today. This is going to be on a plate carrier from a company called RTS Tactical. This is a lightweight plate carrier and I want to bring it to you, so stay tuned.
Footage uploaded to Facebook captures the moments shots rang out in downtown Austin.
In fact, one parent told the AP he and other parents considered racing inside themselves. They were so upset at what they felt was police inaction as the shooting unfolded. Law enforcement have not directly responded to these claims, but on Wednesday, DPS Director Steve McCraw told reporters that 40 minutes to an hour elapsed.
Peaceful protests across the country were upended by violence over the weekend.
Portland's mayor and police chief are calling for people to not get involved when there is violence at protests. Officials report almost every night that multiple people are arrested at the protests. They say that people try to shatter doors, set fires, and rip boards off walls.
Violent protests erupting in Milwaukee after police shot and killed a black man they say was armed. Businesses and police cars set on fire. The National Guard has been active.
I'm back. Thanks for checking out this video. Like I said, this is going to be on a plate carrier option from RTS Tactical. But before I get into that, I just want to say, if you like this kind of content, you like what I'm doing here, you want YouTube to know that you want to see more content like this, please throw me a subscribe, a like, a comment in the comment section below, share with your friends, check out the links, etc., etc., etc. It really does help me to continue to put out this kind of content so you guys can take advantage of it. So with that, what are we seeing in the world today? We're seeing some crazy events. We're seeing riots. We're seeing uprisings. We're seeing protests. We're seeing violence. And when you have that kind of insecurity and instability in your world, having the option to have a defensive item to help protect you and to protect your loved ones, if you so choose to use it, is not a bad thing. Recently, New York has banned body armor. They've banned it for everyone except for the elites, like the media and police and fire and EMS and a whole bunch of other carve-outs, but not the average person, right? Not the you and I. Now, there's some exceptions there. This isn't a video about New York's body armor law, but I just brought it up as an example of body armor is in the crosshairs from legislators because murderers have started wearing it in some very high-profile incidents. So whenever a murderer uses something, obviously they want to ban it because we know how well bans work in the United States government, right? So all I would say with that is the more a government tries to ban something, the more you probably want to get your hands on it. Now, with that, I am going to say, this is a very interesting little piece of equipment here. Now, you'll notice right off the bat, this is not the kind of body armor that has a whole bunch of Molly kit on it, right? You're not going to be able to put a whole bunch of attachments on it. This is a very sleek, under the clothing or under a jacket type of subdued body armor so that you're not showing your tactical advantage. You can have a 10 by 12 level 4 ceramic plate in here. You can have a level 3 and 3 plus steel plates, or you can have level 3A soft body armor. Now this shipped with the steel plates from RTS. These are, got some nice spalling protection on them. I'm sure these are probably like an AR 500. These are level 3 plus, and they fit in here perfectly. I've worn this all day long, not had a problem in the world. So it's a very comfortable setup, and I would recommend it if you're looking to buy some sort of subdued body armor. Now, if you're familiar with the gray man concept, you've got to travel, you've got to go out, you've got to do things. You don't want to look like you're a tactical target, right? So maybe you carry a carbine with you in a backpack like I showed you in the intro, or you carry a PCC or something like that, or even just your concealed carry firearm, but you want to have a little bit more protection. You have something like this on, you throw an overshirt on it, you throw a jacket over it, a light jacket, or whatever the case may be for the environment that you're in, and you can have all of the protection that you need in a very slim setup, right? So just kind of going through what are some of the features. I think if you've ever heard of RTS Tactical, this is the 2.0 version of their sleek body armor series. Now, this is a very stretchy material, and I am going to go around the materials. So this is made with let me just open this up real quick. So you can see here, this is a Cordura backed shell. So they call it a what do they say? They say made with an 8mm thick closed cell EVA foam. So you do feel that there is a foam here, so it's not pressing up against your body. You're not plate on skin. You do have this foam, and it does have this ventilation, so it does breathe pretty well. The shell is constructed of an advanced stretch Cordura. So I don't know how well you guys can see that. This isn't a macro lens, but that is a pretty interesting material. It has a little bit of a stretch to it, and then it's very tight, very strong. It is water resistant. It is tear, scuff, and abrasion resistant. It has a snug fit, so you can adjust it to your size. The padding on the shoulder here. So this is sewn in the back, and obviously this is Velcroed on top, so you can adjust it up and down. You can adjust these settings, and then you have these sleeves that go over your shoulders to provide you some padding here. This is all padded, right? So this is going to be sitting on there. You've got padding all over the place. You've got the openings here, so you can slide the plates inside. And once they're inside there, it's very nice fit, right? It's not going to be moving around on you. Once this is on your body, it is on your body. But I will say it is extremely light. Now, some of the advanced features on this, you do have the option to have mag carriers, right? So if you want to carry a couple of pistol magazines, you have inside here, you have little sleeves for your pistols, for your pistol mags, right? Or you can throw your carbine mags in here, right? So if you want to throw in your AR or your AK mags, you can throw a fully loaded mag in here and it'll support it and it'll hold up just fine. This is a stretchable nylon, but it does hold very tightly. Again, you can turn these pistol mags. You can have pistol mags, or you can have full carbine mags, or you can do both. I mean, this is a very stretchy material, so you can have 4 mags, 4 pistol mags, and a rifle mag in this one compartment here. So it does have the loop on the bottom here, so your mags aren't going to fall out the bottom. You don't have to rely on them, holding retention at the top. It will lock into this piece of nylon at the bottom. So all in all, guys, just a very simple, basic plate carrier for someone who's looking to do that gray man concept, somebody who's not trying to draw a lot of attention to themselves, who's trying to do something to get to somewhere without being observed as a potential threat, but also have the protection that a plate carrier with plates affords you. So if this is something you're looking for, guys, I'll have links in the description. They're constantly running sales, so if the price isn't right for you now, just stay tuned. They run sales very frequently. So check them out. RTS Tactical. This is the sleek version 2.0. Lots of Velcro, lots of padding, lots of breathable materials that are durable and will withstand the test of time and some long-term abuse. So if this is something you're looking for, check it out. Links in the description below. And with that, guys, I'm going to end it here. So stay safe, stay vigilant, stay active, stay in the fight, because the fight for your rights never ends. And until next time, take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.